Alright, we're heading out to the state line for a little ride, little Sunday Easter 420 ride. We're gonna go see a pretty cool, I don't know what you want to call it, artifact, I guess. Cool artifact that they got out at the state line. The people on the YouTube's gonna have to wait till we get there to see that though. So I had the area right, just the wrong casino. We gotta go over to Buffalo Bills. Now you'll see what we came for. Alright, this is what we came for. The Bonnie and Clyde murder car. W.D. Jones had just come back from a scouting expedition. See all the bullet holes. This one's armored. The Dutch Schultz car. Yeah, this one didn't make it through. Except for the one in the engine pierced, but the rest of them all stopped. Well, we just left Buffalo Bills where we saw the murder car, and now we're heading back home to Vegas on this nice open road.